Yes, Judge.
Oh. All right, so Mr. Ortiz, for some reason, we can't hear you. We keep trying to work on this. I think everyone else can hear you, but I can't. So I'm going to use chat with you. Is there any objections for me chatting with Mr. Ortiz? You all will be able to see it on the screen.
Oh, yeah, no, Judge.
All right, Mr. Ortiz, we're here. Could everyone please mute? And I'm going to do it in all caps because it'll be easier for everyone to see. So are you supervising Ms. Davis? If you could answer in the chat box, please. All right, she states, and her attorney is informing me that she does not have a vehicle, so she can't get ignition interlock on it. Are you able to accept or have her file an affidavit with you, because we don't have an access to a notary here? Have her meet with you today to do an affidavit of non-driving, affidavit of non-ownership of a vehicle. And are you able to put her on some mobile device? And which court are you supposed to be in?
186.
All right, Ms. Ferguson, can you call the 186 and let them know that we're taking up a matter with his client who has a warrant, and we'll send him over shortly. Oh, okay, thank you. So when were you able, what time can she meet with you today?
And Judge, just let me know, we can't see what's happening in the chat.
Hmm?
We can't see what's happening in the chat.
Oh, sorry, I'm writing in the chat everything that I'm saying to you guys. Sorry, usually the chat pops up. What time will you be able to see her today? Thanks for letting me know that, because usually the chat will pop up.
No, I honestly thought I was looking at it. I was like, wait a minute.
Judge, are you able to hear me?
All right, so he will be able to see you today. The office hours are from 8 to 5 p.m. and he's answering my other questions.
Okay.
My other question, let me bump this out. All right, so he's telling me, and correct me if I'm wrong, you're telling me that you'll be able to accept or effectuate an affidavit of non-driving and non-vehicle ownership for her. And I'm going to require that she do UAs for alcohol and other drugs weekly, and they're going to be random until she gets on the mobile device.
Yes, sir.
And I'm waiting for him to type. Deputy Laura, after I graduated from high school, they stopped requiring people to take typing.
No, I had to take time.
You took it?
160 words a minute.
Oh, hey, we need to have a type off.
Why am I? If I was told from the detective of the rest of me, that was not but I wasn't the server.
All right, what has happened to that? They found a Ford Fusion in your name. What happened to the Ford Fusion?
It's total. My brother crashed it. It's in a tow yard.
That's the vehicle from the intox assault, Judge. That was supposed.
All right, she's stating that that vehicle was totaled. She's gonna have to provide proof that it's been totaled. So whoever you need to go to for that, are there any vehicles where you're residing?
Yes.
Who do those be?
My father have a vehicle.
Is that the only vehicle at your house?
Yes.
Do you have access to it?
No,
What do you mean by you don't have access to it?
I don't have access, but I don't drive this vehicle.
State, how do you want to handle that? She does have a vehicle at the residence. And this is an intoxication assault.
I mean, there, I think the important part is one, having scrambled immediately. Two, we'll defer to the board as to what to do with that. I mean, it's kind of difficult. She's saying she doesn't have access, but not really knowing what it means. It could just be that she has access to the keys and her father has them. I don't know. That more information.
If I may, I mean, at that point, even if there wasn't a mission interlock in that vehicle, that's not going to stop her from driving any vehicle. The repercussions are that she knows that if she drives any vehicle and she gets pulled over, she gets seen in a vehicle, it's automatically she gets taken into custody. She would be remanded without bond. So she knows the implications of her driving. So she's not going to violate the court's orders by not getting a scrap and just driving a vehicle that's at his house. She advises the court that she doesn't have access to it. She's not going to be driving the vehicle, and she knows the repercussions.
All right, Mr. Ortiz, are you all able to do field visits? All right, thank you, Mr. Ortiz. Mr. Ortiz, this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to recall the judge's warrant. I'm going to ask for weekly random UAs until she's on a mobile device. And I want that I want her on the mobile device as soon as possible. So if you all have one available, then she needs to be on it. And she's going to come in today to do that affidavit of non-driving and also the affidavit of non-ownership of a vehicle. And I'm going to want random field visits at the location. So the defendant is to provide an affidavit of non-driving and non-vehicle ownership today. What time do you want her at your office, Mr. Ortiz? All right, so you're gonna need to be at the office. It's now 10 o'clock. You need to be there. Who did you come down here with?
My fiance.
Where's the fiance? All right, she needs to be at pretrial services before noon today. I'm sure they're taking their lunch break at noon, so she needs to be there no later than 11:30 a.m. You understand? So she'll be there by 11:30 a.m. All right, Mr. Ortiz, is there anything else that she needs? Thank you. And I'm going to want that monitor device on her as soon as possible. If for any reason that monitor device is not on by next week, Friday, let me know. All right, thank you, Mr. Ortiz. And Norma, when are we bringing her back? Have you conferred with the state?
Yes, Judge.
All right, so give me a 30-day reset for discovery.
And Judge, just make sure the court's aware, so the intox assault still hasn't been indicted. Just make you aware of that.
Ah,
It happened on January 2nd.
thank you. Look, we're moving cases so quickly here. Ms. Ferguson, let's not do that. Set this for next week on Friday. I want to make sure that she's done everything that I'm requesting of her. So all of this needs to be done by next Friday, and you're going to come into court on Friday.
Your Honor, if I may,
Okay.
defense counsel's out that. I will.
Oh, no, that's fine. She just needs to be here so I can know that she has everything. If she has everything and you confirm that with her pretrial services officer, just call them and have them to send me a report, and they'll say that she's in compliance. And if she's in compliance, she won't have to come in.
Okay.
But otherwise, she'll need to be here, not the 24th, because we're having that thing, right? The 23rd.
I can come in the 23rd.
All right, thank you.
Of both cases, she has two cases.
What are the other,
She has the knife deadly falsification.
So Judge, it's an assault public servant that just got indicted about 15 days ago, and then an intox assault.
all right. Yes, on both cases. Just put both cases at the same time. All right, that will be all. And here's the. And then you can give that back to Ferguson. All right, thank you.
Thank you.
Let's get the facts straight. She loves a verbal ashtray. Never blowing smoke when she gets pissed. She's quick to castrate. Love her on a good day, love her on a bad day. Either way, she's here to stay, stay, stay. Call up holy, 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 holy.